Hello everyone. Today we'll discuss exercise 2.3 question number 1. Find the remainder when x cube plus 3x square plus 3x plus 1 is divided by x plus 1. Here we'll use the remainder theorem. We will use remainder theorem. Remainder theorem to find the remainder. Find the remainder. There are two methods. You can use the remainder theorem, or you can just divide this polynomial by this number, right? For that you have to find that x plus 1 is equal to 0 or x is equal to minus 1. Here let px is equal to x cube plus 3x square plus 3x plus 1. If we find p minus 1, then we are getting minus 1 to the power whole cube plus 3 into minus 1 to the power whole square plus 3 into minus 1 plus 1. Therefore we are getting minus 1 to the whole cube is minus 1 plus minus into minus is plus 1, that is plus 3 minus 3 plus 1, or we are getting 0, right? Therefore the remainder is 0. Therefore the remainder is 0. Therefore the remainder is 0. To solve question number 2, we are applying here the remainder theorem. Now question number 2 is x minus 2 is equal to 0. We will apply here the remainder theorem. Therefore x is equal to 1 by 2. Let px is equal to x cube plus 3x square plus 3x plus 1. Therefore p 1 by 2 is equal to 1 by 2 whole cube plus 3 into 1 by 2 whole square plus 3 into 1 by 2 plus 1, right? Plus 1. Therefore we are getting 1 by 8 plus 3 by 4 plus 3 by 2 plus 1. We find here the LCM is 8. 1 plus 4 2 is 8, 3 is 6 plus 2 4 is 8, 4 3 is 12 plus 8 8 1 is 8. Therefore we are getting 6 plus 1 7, 7 plus 8 15, 15 plus 12 15 plus 12 5 to 7, 5 to 7, 1 plus 1 is 2, it is 27 by 8. It is 27 by 8. Therefore 27 by 8 is the remainder. Therefore 27 by 8 is the remainder, right? Let us solve question number 3. Question number 3 is solve question number 3. Question number 3 is x. Question number 3 is x. Question number 3 is x. Let px is equal to s cube plus 3x square plus 3x plus 1. Here to find x equal to 0, right? Therefore we'll find p0, that is equal to 0 cube plus 3 into 0 square plus 3 into 0 plus 1. Therefore we are getting p0 as 1. Therefore 1 is the remainder. Therefore the remainder is 1. Therefore the remainder is 1, and that is the answer. Let's solve question number 4. Question number 4 here you see is x plus pi. By using remainder theorem, we will find that x plus pi is equal to 0. X plus pi is equal to 0. Therefore x is equal to minus pi. Now let px is equal to s cube plus 3x square plus 3x plus 1. Therefore p minus pi is equal to minus pi whole cube plus 3 minus pi square plus 3 to minus pi plus 1, or it can be written as minus pi cube. Minus is plus 3 pi square minus 3 pi plus 1, right? Minus pi cube plus 3 pi square minus 3 pi plus 1. Therefore the remainder is is minus pi cube plus 3 pi square minus 3 pi plus 1, right? Now solve question number 5. Question number 5 here you see is, here also we'll apply the remainder theorem. Question number 5 is 5 plus 2x. We take 5 plus 2x is equal to 0, or 2x is equal to minus 5, or x is equal to minus 5 by 2. Let us take let px is equal to s cube plus 3x square plus 3x plus 1. Therefore, p minus 5 by 2 is equal to minus 5 by 2 is equal to minus 5 by 2 whole cube plus 2 minus 5 by 2 whole square minus 5 by 2 whole square plus 3 into minus 5 by 2 plus 1. Therefore, we are getting minus 5 cube means 125 by 8 minus minus is plus 3 5 is 25. 25 into 2 is 50 divided by 2 to the 4 plus into minus is minus 3 5 is 15 by 2 plus 1. If you take LCM as 8, take LCM as 8, then we are getting minus 125 plus divide 8 by 2 4 to the 8 2 into 50 is 100 minus if I divide 8 by 2 4 15 for just 60 plus you divide 1 by it is 8. Therefore, we are getting minus 125 minus 60. We are getting 5 6 7 8 1 minus 185 minus 185 plus 100 plus 8 is 108 divided by 8. Now if we subtract 185 subtract 108 8 7 15 carry 1 let us find once again minus 5 by 2 that is 125 minus 125 by 8 plus 2 here minus and minus is plus 5 is a 25 into 2 is 50. This is actually 3x square. This is not right. Let us take it is 3 actually. This is not 2 but it is 3. Let us check once again. Let us do it again. This number is not correct. Now let us find this is 3 actually. This is not correct. Now here you see it is 125 by 8. The 3x square actually 3 a square 5 5 is 25 into 3 75 it is 75 by 2 to the 4 minus 15 by 2 plus 1. Now LCM is 8. Here is LCM is 8 minus 125 plus you divide 8 by 4 2 into 75 that is 150 plus this is minus 2 4 2 4 is 8 4 4 15 is 60 plus 8. Therefore, we are getting now we are getting now we are getting minus 125 minus 125 minus 60. This is 5, 6, 7, 8 minus 185. We are getting minus 185 plus 150 plus 8, 158, 58 by 8. If we subtract this one, 185 minus 158, 8, 7, 15, 8, 7, 15, and 627. Then we are getting minus 27 by 8, minus 27 by 8, right? Therefore the remainder is therefore the remainder is minus 27 by 8, minus 27 by 8. That is the answer. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.